आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, our question is if mod A is less than 1 and mod B is also less than 1, then we have to sum the series 1 plus 1 plus A into B plus 1 plus A square into B square plus 1 plus A square plus A cube into B cube up to infinity. We have to sum this series. So first I can write this series as, suppose this is 1 plus A into B plus 1 plus A square B square plus 1 plus A square plus A cube into B cube up to infinity. I have to do sum of this series. So first what we will do, I will write this as summation n goes from 1 to infinity. This I can write this as 1 plus A square plus up to a n minus 1 into will be b to the power n minus 1. I can write the series as, because this when we multiply this, suppose n is equals to 2, so this will be b is equals to 2 minus 1 2, and this will be up to 1 plus a. So this is 1 plus a into b. Now and when n is equals to 1, then we will only get 1. So I can write the series as this. Now we know the formula for sum of a GP, because this is a GP. This series is a geometric progression whose common ratio r is a, and first term is a is equals to 1. So now for sum of a GP is s n is equals to a into this a into 1 minus, this is a into 1 minus r raised to the power n upon 1 minus r. So when I will apply this formula in this GP, so this becomes summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. Here first term is 1, so this 1 multiplied will be 1 only, so this is where I will write it 1 minus r is equals to a, so a raised to the power n upon, this will be 1 minus r, so 1 minus a into b n minus 1, this is already there. So now this becomes, I will write this as summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. When we multiply this, so this will be b to the power n minus 1 upon 1 minus a. This I can write this as n is equals to 1 to infinity a n into b n minus 1 upon 1 minus a. I have multiplied this with both 1 minus a raised to the power n and then divided separately. Now 1 upon 1 minus a will be come out of the summation, as it does not contain n is equals to 1 to infinity. This will be b raised to the power n minus 1. This is actually in the power b raised to the power n minus 1, and it is here also n minus 1. Now this is minus of a upon 1 minus a, and I will write this as n is equals to 1 to infinity a b to the power n minus 1. Now I will expand this series. So this is 1 upon 1 minus a, 1 plus b square plus up to infinity, and similarly this is a upon 1 minus a, summation n goes from 1 to infinity. This will be 1 plus ab whole square plus up to infinity. Now we know that sum of a GP, because this is a geometric progression and this is also a GP. So sum of an infinite GP as infinity is equals to a upon 1 minus r, where a is first term and r is common ratio. So now the first one becomes 1 upon 1 minus a into, first term is 1 upon, common ratio is b, so 1 minus b, minus of a upon 1 minus a multiplied by, first term is 1, so this is 1 upon 1 minus r is equals to ab, second term upon first term, common ratio. So now we just need to solve for the sum. So this is 1 upon 1 minus a into 1 minus b minus of a upon 1 minus a 1 minus ab. Now we'll take LCM, so this becomes 1 minus a 1 minus b 1 minus ab. So this will be multiplied with 1 minus ab, and this is minus of a into 1 minus b. So when we solve this, so this is 1 minus ab minus of a and plus of ab divided by 1 minus a 1 minus b 1 minus ab. So this ab and ab get cancelled, and this 1 minus a and 1 minus a, so this is also cancelled. I'm writing in next step. So 1 minus a into 1 minus a 1 minus b 1 minus ab. So this and this gets cancelled, and we are left with 1 upon 1 minus ab into 1 minus b. So this is our answer, the sum of a series which is given. So 1 upon 1 minus ab into 1 minus, so now check the options. So 1 upon 1 minus ab into 1 minus b, this C option is correct. This is our answer. This only we have to find. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।